What drives a car to over 200 victories in over 800 Grand Prix challenges? To multiple wins at Le Mans? To first place finishes on more than 5,000 tracks and roadways all over the world? Ferrari's phenomenal success is based on the performance of the engine. Each luxury performance automobile is built to Ferrari's exacting standards. Top technology, superior construction, hand-finished. But it is the engine that drives Ferrari to success, on and off the racetrack. Legendary Ferrari engines have been driving winners for over 70 years. And now, a turbo-power AC engine, developed in collaboration with the Ferrari Challenge team, is driving the world's first professional luxury dryer.
Volare.
Introducing the BaByliss Pro Volare. The powerful engine, built exclusively for BaByliss Pro, makes the Volare the ultimate professional drying machine. High speed and ultra efficient, with a ball-bearing designed motor. With intense air pressure and maximum airflow for faster drying. Minimum weight and ultra-low vibration for superior performance. Strength, speed and championship performance for up to 2,000 hours. Ferrari and BaByliss, two world leaders. 140 years of engineering excellence. An unprecedented partnership that's created a genuine Ferrari engine for a high-performance luxury dryer, built exclusively for the professional stylist. An engine powerful enough to win BaByliss the same phenomenal success that Ferrari enjoys on the track. And technologically advanced enough to drive hair to brilliant new levels of shine. Faster and more effortlessly than ever before. Beauty so powerful, it takes your breath away. Introduce hair to the Grand Prix of styling. The BaByliss Pro Volare. Stylists, start your engines.